Hello friends, today we will see how to prepare Domino's style garlic breadsticks. So for that I have taken here 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. So to that I am going to add around 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar here. You can also use the normal sugar, but if you are using powdered sugar it gets mixed up nicely. And then we will add a pinch of salt. We'll mix this nicely. So now we will add around 4 teaspoons of yeast. This is active dry yeast, so I am adding it directly to the flour mixture. We'll mix this nicely again. See, this is the brand I am using, Gloripan Instant Dry Yeast. So for that you don't have to soak it separately and you have to add, you can add it directly. See, as mentioned here, mix with the flour or add to dough during the first stage of mixing itself. So you can add directly to the flour mixture. So now here I have little bit of butter and garlic, grated garlic actually, so I will also add this also to the flour mixture. You can also use garlic powder if you have, or you can just use a fresh grated garlic or garlic paste also you can use. And I am also going to add oregano mixture here, little bit of that. We'll mix this nicely. So now I have here lukewarm water here, so we'll start adding this to the flour mixture and we will knead it to a dough. So once the dough is ready, I will show you how it is. So now we have kneaded the dough. We will allow it to rest for 1 hour so that by the time it cools up. So keep it in a warm place for 1 hour, and after 1 hour you will have it. So it's been an hour now. So we will take this out and we will divide this dough into 2 portions and we will start rolling actually. And I have already preheated the oven. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes. We will apply some flour in the rolling and then we will start kneading this for some time. And then using hands or with a rolling pin, we will roll little bit into a round disc. If it is sticky, like apply some flour. Now we have rolled this actually. We will keep some cheese. You can use whatever cheese that you want in one side of the thing that we have rolled. And we will also apply some garlic and the herbs mixture that we prepared earlier on top of this. And I have water here, so I will just dab my finger and I will apply some water at the end so that when I stick both the ends it gets stick properly. Now I am just adding some red chili powder. If you have chili flakes you can add that also, and if at this stage if you want to add any vegetables you can add that also. Now we will fold this side and we will cover the cheese and the other mixture. So using a line, we will draw some lines depending upon the size of the sticks that you like to have. Not in the end, only in the center. And we will also apply some butter on top of it so that the top crust becomes slight golden in color. So now we will apply some butter. It's a room temperature butter that I'm using. So now we will bake this in 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the edges turn slight golden in color, you can just check, and if it is cooked, you can take it out. So now it is out of the oven. You will just cut and have a look how it is. So your garlic breadsticks are ready now, and also you can see the cheese that has been stuffed inside. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more such new recipes. Thank you.